Hi guys, I'm Ananya Panday and you're here with me at the Lakme Absolute Grand Finale, and the theme this year is Explore More. So I want you to explore more glam, explore more edge with me. So I'm going to play this game where I answer the juiciest question for all makeup lovers. More of Ananya's favorite makeup looks. I think my last Lakme Fashion Week walk, which was for Richika Sachdev, I did this bold red lip and kajal, and I feel like that's a classic that'll never go out of style. The next one is what's in Ananya's bag. I magically have my bag here. Usually my phone's in my bag, but I also have the vitamin C serum from Lakme. I have my room key. I have a mask, which you have to have in your bag. I have one of my favorite products, the Lakme lip balm. And I have some earrings. Ananya's last sent text message. Okay, let's see. So my last sent text message was to my makeup artist actually, and we were brainstorming on doing more edgy makeup looks this season. So yeah. Ananya's makeup pet peeves. My makeup pet peeves are probably spidery mascara lashes. Ananya's first makeup purchase. Probably kajal, because in school we were only allowed to wear kajal, so I bought the Lakme iconic kajal. Ananya's best makeup tip. Put a little bit of blush on the tip of your nose and your chin and your forehead. Ananya's guilty pleasure in life. Butter chicken. Ananya's next experimentation with her makeup looks. Whatever Lakme comes up with next. Okay, I'm done. I have to go walk the ramp now. But I urge you guys to explore more this season like me.